Hey guys, welcome back to da-da-da. I'm going to make, I think, first of all of this video, I'm going to change my YouTube name. Sounds crazy, right? But no problem. But I'm going to change to what do you think? Comment down below, guys. I think what is it? I'll make another video if I think, okay? So today guys, the video is about Rubik's Cube. Now, I really love Rubik's Cube right now. I don't know, I just went to YouTube and it looks very interesting. Now let's see, what cubes do I have? The cubes collection for 2017 and 2016. Now most of all, I got 2016, but I buy 2 cubes this year. Now last month I buy 1 and this month I buy 1. So let's see. The first cube is 2x2. 2x2 I only had 1, and this is the stickless Daizanji, I think. Because no, it's Moyu way long. Stickless. So this is pretty good. It's still useful to me, but it's rigid. It's rigid, okay? Now, okay, 2x2. Now next, 3x3. The 3x3 is super easy if you learn the 2x2. Now I already learned 2x2, so 3x3 is easy for me. Oh, this is the Volk one. I bought this last year and it's pretty good, but it's a little rough and rigid. Okay, yes. And the next one, the Moyu Weilong 3x3 version 2. Now this is the Moyu Weilong stickless 2x2, no version. This is the version 2 one. So I like this cube so much. Okay, it's the most, and it's stickless. You think it's have sticker, but it's stickless. Amazing, right? And insane. Next 3x3 is the branded one, the Rubik's brand. I hate this brand. Really rough after like few months. And this Moyu Weilong, after I buy this 2017 and this month February, it's not rigid at all. And this rigid, okay? So that's why I don't want to solve. And this too. This is I bought, and this sticker, I hate stickers. Rubik's Cube sucks. Okay, I hate it. So 2 Rubik's brand. Now the transparent one, 3x3. This is really cool, but you know, it's still soft. But one condition is that I sometimes cannot see. It's because this green is similar to blue. So when I solve it, sometimes I do blue or green, I don't know, okay? And this is the Moyu Weilong version 1. You seen on YouTube, yeah? Now come to 4x4. I don't have 5x5, 6x6, 7x7. I'm gonna buy soon. To cubicle.us. I don't know. They said it's really cool, the website. Now, this 4x4 is really gorgeous. I really like it. So plus, it takes me 1 minute to solve one side. So I'm going to be patient and make a video about solving the other sides. It's really cool. This is the what is this? Moyu Angsu version 2. This is cool. I like it. I'm going to buy more 4x4 and 5x5. see that? Okay. It's really cool. Now the next one is really cool, really cool. The last biggest one. It is the Mega Mix. I'm going to buy Pyramid soon too at cubicle.us. I saw green on it. I don't know how to solve the other sides. Take me a long time. I just solved it yesterday, but I scrambled it out, tried, and I forgot the algorithm. So I just solved green to make it colorful. Yeah, it's really cool. Oh yeah, I forgot. I don't know the brand. Okay, it's Chinese. If you're Chinese, try to look up this in the comment below. I don't know Chinese. A little bit. When I was small, I went to China. Oh my god, I'm bad at grammar. If you're Chinese, try to see what brand is this, and if you have a channel, ask subscribe and thumbs up. Thanks guys for watching, and thumbs up for my video. Like, comment down below, and I give you a description link where to buy cubes. Bye.